Hello everyone, and in this video I will explain how to use Starling Bank Bills Manager. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So you can easily handle your direct debits and standing order using Bills Manager by paying them directly from a chosen saving space. Follow this simple step. Open the app and go to the Spaces section. Pick the saving space you want for bill payments. Tap Manage Space and then Pay Bills from this space. Select the specific direct debits and standing order you want to pay with this space. Different space can cover different bills. If you can find a payment, make sure it's set up as a direct debit or standing order. Then choose Top Up to an amount, and Starling will add the exact sum needed each time for your bills. Or go for Top Up by fixed amount, and Starling Bank will transfer the same amount, no matter the space balance. If you are a personal account holder, set the transfer for your payday or the day after. That's it. Your bills will be paid on schedule and the money will be taken from your chosen saving space. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.